Bit of a later start this morning, and it's raining again. The rain's back. First up, Sally and Nat.
Stop me now from falling apart.
That's a good way for the girls to start their day, isn't it? Good work, chicks. What do you find is the best way to kick you off in the day? I've got a few goals that I'm going to go over. Stretch. I need to loosen these legs up a little bit more. Also, an hour of read and learn every day. Tools of Titans. Also been studying a bit of YouTube, and I'm looking for a few courses to do. There's this one with this guy named Jesse and Kong, which is looking pretty good. And the daily vlog, which you've all been on. That's what I'm doing. When you know that you should have made better life decisions.
Stop me now from falling off the edge. You scream so loud, wake up the dead.
Where are we going? We're going to the beach. And it's bright. Feeling lucky, babe? That's the way. Well, that wasn't overly successful, was it? About to watch my delicious girl play touch. They better win.
Hey babe, what number are you?
So the surf was shit. Meagan smashed it at touch. And all in all, it's been a good day. That's it. Subscribe, comment, whatever, or what we should do tomorrow. I don't know. Cool. See ya.